Hello students, myself Hamza. Hope you are all doing well. This year I am going to handle English for you. Let us begin today with the grammar. Why grammar is important? Grammar is important because it's a language that makes it possible for us to talk. Knowing about grammar also helps us to understand what makes sentences and paragraphs clear and interesting and precise. Actually, a sentence is a combination of different words. It's because of these words that a sentence becomes meaningful and understandable by others. So, these words can therefore be called as different parts of speech. So, today we are going to learn parts of speech. Every word in a sentence is a part of speech. A word may be of different parts of speech based on its position, function, and the word it modifies. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Today in this class, we are going to study noun, pronoun, verb, and adjectives in detail. What is a noun? Noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, and things. There are different kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, non-countable noun, collective noun, and compound noun. What is proper noun? It's a name which refers only to a particular person, place, or a thing, and therefore it's no common name for it. In written language, a proper noun always begins with the capital letters. So, proper noun is a name which refers only to a particular person, place, or a thing. Second one, common noun. What is common noun? It's a name for something which is common for many things, person, or a place. For example, country. It can refer to any country, nothing in particular. City. It can refer to any city like Melbourne, Mumbai, Toronto, etc., but nothing in particular. So, common noun is a word that indicates a person, place, thing, etc. The next one, abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen. It has no physical existence. It refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions. Example, words like sorrow, happiness, friendship, patriotism, etc. All these things you cannot be seen, but you can feel the quality and conditions, etc. Next one, concrete noun. What is concrete noun? It's the exact opposite of abstract noun. Concrete, it refers to things we see and have physical existence. Example, chair, table, all these things have the existence, physical existence where you can touch, feel. Countable noun. The noun that can be counted are called as countable nouns. For example, chair, table, bat, ball. You can say one chair, two chair. So chairs are countable. So the things that you can count are called as countable noun. Next, non-countable noun. What is non-countable noun? The noun that cannot be counted are called as non-countable noun. Example, water, sugar, oil, salt, etc. You cannot say one water, two water, three water because water is not countable. So it's called as non-countable noun. The next one, collective noun. Collective noun is a word for a group of things, people, or animal. Example, family, team, jury, cattle, etc. As you all know, family consists of group of people. So it comes under collective noun. Team. A team consists of players. So group of players form as a team. So collective noun is a word for a group of people, things, or animal. Next one, compound noun. Sometimes two or three nouns appear together or even with the other parts of speech and create a compound noun. For example, 5-year-old, son-in-law, six-pack, mailbox, etc. So, compound noun here, two or three nouns appear together. Next, we will do verb. What is a verb? A word that tells what someone or something does. It's also known as an action word or a word of being. Verbs can express physical action. Like for example, the doctor wrote the prescription. Here the verb is wrote. Here the word wrote is verb. It expresses the physical activity. Next, verbs can also express mental action. For example, a sentence, Peter guessed the right number. The word guessed is a verb. It expresses the mental activity, so it is a verb. Next, verb can also express a state of being. So, the word was is a verb in the sentence. It was a joke. In this sentence, word was is a verb from the verb to be. So, on the whole, you can see that every sentence must have a verb and it expresses mental or a physical action. Linking verbs make the statement by connecting the subject with the word that describes or explains it. Next one, the pronoun. What is a pronoun? The pronoun is a word used in place of one or more noun. It may stand for a person, place, thing, or idea. There are different kinds of pronoun. Firstly, personal pronoun. It's a pronoun that is associated primarily with a particular person and provides the following information, that is, who is speaking, is the pronoun plural or a singular, is the pronoun feminine, masculine, or a neuter. Secondly, demonstrative pronoun. Those used to point to something specific within a sentence, like this, that. So, these, those, these kind of words, they specify particular things. Next, an interrogative pronoun. It is a pronoun which is used to make asking questions easy. The 5 interrogative pronoun words are what, which, who, whom, and whose. The next part of speech is adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun. It answers the question like which, what kind, how many, etc. There are different types of adjectives. Descriptive adjective. What is descriptive adjective? The word itself says descriptive. Okay, it tells about a noun or a pronoun. An adjective which shows a description about a noun or pronoun known as a descriptive adjective. For example, he is an honest man. So here the word honest, it's a word which describes or describes the man. So it is called as descriptive adjective. Secondly, adjective quantity. So here I ate some rice. So in the word some, it shows the quantity. So adjective of quantity shows the quantity of a thing. Okay. The next one is adjective of number. An adjective which indicates a number. known as adjective of number. For example, the hand has 5 fingers. So the word 5 is an adjective which indicates a number. Next one, demonstrative adjective. An adjective which points out a person or a thing. Person or a thing. For example, this boy. Okay, so the word this is demonstrative adjective which points out. Okay, next one is interrogative adjective. What, which, and whose, when they are used with the noun to ask questions are called as interrogative adjectives. Example, what manner of man is he? So the word what, okay, it's an interrogative adjective. Next, possessive adjective. An adjective which shows a state of possession. Okay, like mine, his, her, ours, theirs, yours. Okay, so all these words shows the state of possession. So it's called as possessive adjective. Next, distributive adjective. Adjective which demonstrate the distributive state of noun. Okay, and this distributive adjectives refers to each one of a number. For example, each boy must take his turn. So here the word each, okay, it's a distributive adjective which refers to each one of a number. Similar words like each, either, neither are all called as a distributive adjective. Okay students, we'll stop here. In the next class, we'll learn the other parts of speech.